Ever wondered why some days your crypto trades feel effortless while others seem off? The secret may lie in nature's cycles. Aligning your trading habits with natural rhythms, like waking with the sunrise or reviewing trades during lunar phases, can maximize focus and discipline. Start by observing your energy peaks. Schedule analysis and decision-making when you're most alert. Use downtime, like late evenings, for reflection and learning. By harnessing these natural cycles, you'll build sustainable motivation, reduce burnout, and enhance your trading performance.